Hi, welcome friends. This is April's reallocation video. I think these are meant to be dashboards, but I'm going to use them as my number designation. And these were free from Mumsy Queen, but I think there was only like so many were free. So they may not be free on her Ko-fi, but, and then I created this myself. And these are the 6 categories I chose for April, my 6 months ahead. This is for our utility bills because the mortgage. I have 6 months of that fully funded. And then I have birthdays, beauty, vehicle maintenance, spending, and cats. This is my pouch from the Aesthetic Dollar. Unfortunately, she does not sell these anymore. I don't know why. They're super cute. But has my envelopes in it. So, let's see. These first ones that I pulled out were allocated to certain things already. So for this collab with Simply Made and Lil's World, we saved $36 and that went to our home maintenance. This one from Shade's Budgets saved us $40 and it went to holidays. Budgeting with Lysandra, we saved $18 for birthdays. The Autumn $14.92, which is Restoration by Autumn, and Keeping It Crispy, we saved $20. Went to vehicle maintenance. We finished the Great Taco Race from Snow Garden 307. And I didn't write it on here, so let's look on my sheet. We saved $25 and that went to home maintenance. Per and Say from Budget with Tiffany, we saved $78, went to home maintenance. Hugs and Kisses from Budget with Jessica, went to the Kitties. Saved $18. Happy Easter from Budget by Camilla. We saved $32 for Costco Sam's. From Dawn Sunrise Budgeting, we saved $30, went to spending. We saved $35 doing the Lucky Birds collab, and that went to home maintenance. We saved $32 from Hey K Budgets, and that went to birthdays. Our April group play from Miranda, Shade's Budgets. We saved $13. And I believe that went to home maintenance. Yep. And then Skelly Run from Craftco Budgets, we saved $107 and that went to home maintenance. So the rest are challenges that weren't assigned any category. So we had My Shop, we saved $36. So I guess I'll do 20. And then these are all ones. Then I finished Snow Garden 307, saved $65. Let's see. I've never done a randomizer before, so we'll see how this works. And then I saved $24. And then I have a whole bunch of tinies, or micros. And I see this one has some prop quarters, what, 75 cents? So I'll probably just roll that over. Bunch of ones. Finished Budget with Carly for $40. And some more micros. And then the rest of these are just all micros, so. So let's see what is here. Okay, so there's 40. There's 60, so 63. 45, 20, and 60. So I have $188. So let's see. I think for the first, I don't know, let's see. What are my categories again? Okay. So I think for the 20s, I'm going to put one on month ahead, one on birthdays, and one on vehicle maintenance. And then I'll put a 10 there. 10 on 5. This is 2, 2, 6, 5, 5, 3, 2, 5, 5, and then I'll put $2 for every dollar. So 5, 1. It doesn't want to roll any 3s, it looks like. 4. There we go. 3. Oh, good. 3, 4, 4, 5, 3, 1, 6, 4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 2, okay, 2, 3, 3, and then 4. All right. Well, that's all I have. I will add this up and then I'll list it in the description of how much I saved for each category for the month of April. And then the grand total of what I saved for April playing minis and micros. And yeah, these are just from minis and micros. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you Friday. Bye.